In Asana, project roles control what members can do. Project admin, full edit, add or remove members. Editor, edit tasks, no member management. Or commenter, view and comment only. You need project admin rights to change roles. Steps to change role. Open the target project. Click Share, top right, person plus icon, or press Tab plus S. In the Members pane, locate the member. Click their current role, for example, Editor, next to their name. Select the new role from the drop-down, Admin, Editor, or Commenter. The change applies instantly, no save needed. Mobile app, tap the project, 3 dots. Manage members, tap Member, choose Role. Tips: only project admins can manage roles. Commenters can't edit tasks, but stay in the loop via comments. To remove someone, click Remove in the same menu. Bulk changes. Select multiple members, hold Shift or Command/Control, and adjust roles together. Changing roles keeps workflows secure and efficient. Grant admins sparingly. Use Commenter for stakeholders.